we have a new feature. If you're looking at my PowerPoint, we're looking at sentiment. So our machine learning guys, and I don't even know. I want Jad to talk about it, but it's incredibly both amazing and complex. We're tracking Twitter, Reddit, and Telegram, and the activity in those social media platforms to try to figure out whether people are really bullish or bearish about a particular coin. So it looks like OKB and Avalanche are at the top of the list for very positive coins. Now, I know one big YouTuber was really on Avalanche, so that's not a surprise. And I know that's a really enthusiastic community. And don't worry, we'll have charts and the market update from me and Forrest coming up soon. But for our machine learning guys, hit that like button. Yesterday, we got 500. Today, we're trying to beat that. Normally, we get 1,000. So we're trying to beat 500 likes. Now, Jad, can you tell us how you sift through all this data? Like, is it AI? Is it machine learning? Is it both? Like, how much work was involved? Like, did it take hours, months? I mean, how hard did you have to work to do this?
Oh, yeah. Sentiment is a very, very big project because you have a lot of unstructured data like tweets and Telegram chats and all these type of things. So you really need to gather as much data as you want, let's say over 1 million tweets. And then you need to start processing this data, pre-processing, cleaning it up, seeing which Twitter accounts are more important than others, which tweets are getting more likes, more retweets, and stuff like that, because you can really see the power of using machine learning on this type of data. Because if you just have a good machine learning model that can read Elon Musk's tweet, you can really see that these data sets can have a huge, at least short-term impact on prices.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.